Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I'm going to do a comparison or a showdown of two razors that are designed for mild shaving and actually face and body shaving. The first one is the Muhle Companion right here. Here's a look at it. And then the second one will be the Henson AL13. This comes in many different colors. This is the jet black. Here they are next to each other. The Muhle is a little bit longer and heavier. I'll put the specs up here so you can check them out. You can do a comparison on the weight and the length as well up on the screen. The Henson is a little bit lighter, has a nice grooved handle, easy to grip. It's tapered from top to bottom. It starts out small, gets wider as it goes downward. And the Muhle Companion has like a geographic pattern on the handle, which makes it very easy to grip as well. The cool thing about this, it has a cord on it that you can hang in the shower or hang on your mirror or hang it wherever you want. And this cord comes in different colors, so you can select the color you want when you get it at ShaveNation.com. Both are 3-piece razors. I'll unscrew the Companion and show it to you. There's the handle, top cap and safety bar. And this actually comes with one Muhle blade when you get it. So let's load it up. Let's remove it from the paper. There's a look at the blade. Just place it right over the 2 pins in the post like so. Reassemble top cap to safety bar. And then tighten the handle back down. All right, the reveal is perfect. As you can see, even on both sides. And the Henson, also a 3-piece razor. The Henson has this angled head where it's very intuitive, very easy to shave with. That angle just goes right on your face and it's difficult to not find the angle. That's what I'm saying. It's a very easy to shave with razor, very simple to learn on. Let's remove the handle, top cap, safety bar. And you can tell it's the mild version if it has 1+. This has 1+ instead of 2. It has 2, it's a medium. So both sides will have that plus. You can make that out. The Henson AL13 comes with a package of Astra Superior Platinum razor blades. So let's remove one of those from the paper and load that into the razor. Right over the post and the 2 pins like so. Reassemble top cap to safety bar. Install the handle and lock it down. Also perfect reveal on both sides of this razor. There you go, even on both sides. I'll do a comparison shave with both of these razors. Henson on the right side and the Companion on the left side. In one of my previous videos I did super lather with a boar brush. Today we'll try to do the super lather with a synthetic brush. The Simpson's Trafalgar T3 brush. It comes in 3 different sizes, T1, which is small, T2, which I don't have with me right now, and a T3. You can see the difference. The T2 would be right in the middle there, but here's the T1 and the T3. We'll use the T3. I have my Shave Nation ceramic bowl. I'm just gonna warm it up under the hot water. It retains heat, so the hot water will help keep your lather warm. I'll also fill up my brush soaking cup with some hot water. And let's take the T3 brush, drop it right in, and let it soak. You can see how it splays out a little bit. It's got some openings, some caverns in there. Just let that soak. Now I'll pour out the water from my bowl. Here we go, here's the bowl. Today I'll use Parasso Sandalwood. It's sandalwood and shea butter, shaving cream. Let's squirt a little bit of this right into the bowl. Just about an almond-sized dollop into the bowl. Just filling up that lather spot at the bottom. Now remove the brush from the cup. And normally we would shake out the water, but the trick is we're not going to shake out the water. We're going to leave that water in there. We're going to go right into this bowl and lather up. Just start swirling, and you can see the water is sloshing around in there. It starts out very watery, sudsy at first. Let's see that if we keep lathering, keep swirling, press the tips down into that lather spot down at the bottom, and the lather should start building just like it did with the boar brush. Smells very nice. Lovely sandalwood scent. Not as strong as the Taylor of Old Bond Street sandalwood, but still a nice scent as well. There you go. You can see that the lather is becoming thicker. It's actually filling the entire bowl. And the more you swirl, the thicker it gets. You need a good sized bowl like this that flares out so that the lather has room to expand in the bowl. There you go, look at this. Lots of lather, plenty of lather for several passes. Nice, thick, creamy. And the more you swirl, the thicker it will get. A minute or two, we've got a bowl filled with luscious lather. There you go. Nice and thick and creamy. Okay, we'll set that down. I'll warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm. I'll leave it fully wet. And let's just grab our brush and our bowl and lather up. Plenty of lather, like I said. We'll start on the right side, work our way over. Just drive that lather right into the beard. And you have so much lather on the brush, it is difficult to keep it on the brush, especially with the synthetic. Just drive it in, push it into the beard. Little figure eight, the Zen moment of the shave right here. Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go. I'll start on the right side with the Henson. Warm it up under the hot water. And find that angle. It's very simple. Just lay that angled portion flat on the skin. Work your way down. Mild shaving, but very smooth. Very difficult to cut yourself with this razor. One side is filled, we'll flip it over. Right down the neckline. Very nice. One pass, nice and smooth. And I had about a 1.5 days beard growth. So not super heavy, but if you're an everyday shaver, that's what you would have. You can see how well it removed it. Rinse that off. Mustache. Scoop directly under. Excellent. Okay, we'll rinse that. Now let's do the left side with the companion. Warm it up under the hot water. Start with the handle straight down, tilt slightly outward. You find that angle, work your way down. I'm getting a little more audible feedback. One side is filled, we'll flip it to the other side. From the feel and the feedback, I'll say that the companion, a little more aggressive shaving than the mild Henson. So it would probably be more equal to the medium Henson. Excellent, very nice. Let's rinse that. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Now the mustache. Excellent. One pass complete. Let's feel around. Very close to identical. Feels about the same on both sides. Let's grab our brush and our bowl and let's re-lather. We'll do another pass. You can see still plenty of lather in the bowl. We don't need much for the second pass, just a light coating. Figure 8. Set the brush down. Let's clear the runways again. All right, back with the Henson. First pass was north to south. Now I'll start across the grain. Very easy to shave with, very intuitive. Set the mustache. Easy to get under the nose. Let's rinse that. Now against the grain on the neck. Very good. Okay, let's set that down. Rinse it off. All right, now the companion. Across the grain. Let's rinse that. Also, you get the feeling very difficult to cut yourself with this razor too. Definitely more substantial. Feels heftier in the hand. Across the grain on the upper lip. Very nice. Equally smooth on both sides. All right, let's rinse again. Let's just hit the cheeks real quick. We'll get the against the grain on the cheeks and get them baby smooth. Okay, the Henson. Just stretch the skin a little bit and find your spot, your sweet spot. Nothing happens here, but when you tilt up a little, it just catches. That's where you want to be. Just skim the skin. This gets you super smooth, glass-like finish right here. Really nice, beautiful. Now the other side, with the companion, same way, stretch the skin a little bit and find that sweet spot. Excellent. All right, let's do a final rinse. Rinse off the razor. A hot, then cold water rinse on the face. Let's take our Shave Nation Wide Stick alum block, remove the cap, just glide that all around. With these two mild shaving razors, no stinging whatsoever. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Let's pat the face dry. Just leave it a bit damp. And let's crack open this Carasso sandalwood and shea butter, matching the shaving cream. We're gonna layer it right on top. This is an Aftershave balm. New bottle, they just came out with this. This is brand new, this Aftershave balm to match the sandalwood and shea butter shaving cream. A little bit in the fingertips, massage that together, right into the cheeks and the face. All the areas you shaved. Oh, excellent scent, goes on cool. Smells similar to the shaving cream. This will give you protection throughout the day. Condition, soothe, calm your skin. Excellent finish to the shave. You can do the forehead as well. Just don't get it in your eyebrows and your eyelashes and your eyes for sure. Go around those areas. A final look at these two mild shaving razors, the Muhle Companion and the Henson AL13. Both excellent shaving razors, very comfortable. You get the feeling it's very difficult to nick yourself with these razors. Either one of these would be excellent for beginners. Just starting out, these are excellent razors for you to start with. And also, not just for face shaving, you can shave your head with these, you can shave other body parts with these. Good for all general hair removal on the body. This string can actually be changed. If you pull this down, you can remove the string and put in any other color string that you want, or you can just buy the 4 or 5 different colors from Shave Nation that are available. And then the Henson also comes in 5 or 6 different colors in the mild and medium. These are both excellent shaving razors. My face feels equally smooth on both sides. Can't say one is better than the other. Both super smooth. So if you are just starting out, you can shave your head, you can shave your face, you can shave the rest of your body. Both of these razors are designed for all over shaving. They're mild, not too aggressive, so great for beginners. The Parasso Sandalwood Shaving Cream lathered up very easily in the Shave Nation bowl right here with the Trafalgar T3 brush. We still have lots of lather left over. Call your friends over for a lather party. And then the Shave Nation Wide Stick Allen Block, finishing up the shave, cools the skin, calms it. It's an astringent, so it'll seal off any small nicks or micro weepers you may have gotten, but we didn't get any, as you can see, nice and smooth. Cheeks, chin, neck, all good. Finishing up with the Parasso Sandalwood and Shea Butter Aftershave Balm, made specifically to layer up over the shaving cream. The Muhle blade in the Companion and the Astra blade in the AL13 both performed very well. I couldn't tell the difference between them. Both gave me a beautiful shave. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then click that bell icon so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more, just like all my videos, and you can pick them up right there. Just click show more, links will pop up. You can grab them right there. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.